So, do you want to know how to stream? It's pretty simple, and I've got you covered. When you go here, go to OBS Studio and uh, go to OBS Studio and go to start streaming. But before you start streaming, go to minus broadcast. Let's go there. After that, do this, do my broadcast, and just do anything. I'm just not really into it. Put your thumbnail, I don't care. And after that, create broadcast. It's creating a new live broadcast, so please wait. After that, you can start streaming. But before you can start streaming, you have to do something. So go to settings, go to stream. Now, go to YouTube and do this. Go press either what app do you want to stream. For me, I choose YouTube and just press this one. After that, press this link. I will do link to mine. So this should press say add link. Add the link there. Yeah. Then after that, after you done all your DLs, then you have your name here and is now connected to your YouTube account. And then after that, you just press OK, and you can start streaming. And look, I'm literally streaming. So that's it for the video. Make sure you got this, and if you need more help, I can help you with it. Okay? Alright, see ya. Peace.